Hello everyone, welcome back to CryptoCache. Thank you so much for joining me here. Happy Friday to you. Hope you and your family are doing amazing. We're going to take a look here at Ethereum, see what's going on, of course. Help you with best practice and big picture. Big surprise, right? If you're new to the channel though, not a financial advisor, I love teaching people to trade. I hope you can learn something here today. My goal is to help you become a better trader. If you want to become a little bit more efficient and have good fundamentals, I have a trading academy, community, and signal group, all packaged together, so to speak. In the description below, CryptoCache.tech. Reference that in your own time. Be happy to help you with obviously just getting better. We've got a lot of new customers, or members, I guess you could say, probably is a better term. And what they are doing is they're flocking over because of the fact that they want to be able to attend the academy and learn as much as they can during this time. So I highly recommend you, to whatever extent, you learn what you can when the market is down. So when the market's back up, you're going to be doing very well for yourself. All right. Here's where we're at with Ethereum. Let's go ahead and take a look at the daily and work our way down. So obviously we're just down below a lot of trend lines, but that doesn't really matter here today because we're seeing a nice green solid day here. I think we're up 6%. We had another 6% day yesterday as well. So in truth, Ethereum is doing much better than Bitcoin is right now, and it's moving somewhat independent or becoming more independent of that. We can kind of compare the two if you want to kind of see, if you take a look here. Actually, let me go ahead and move this guy. We can see here with Bitcoin, right? We've got pretty much a doji candle closing here today with a green day yesterday. Ethereum had a green day yesterday, but today it's going much higher. I think Bitcoin, we're up at 0.25% versus almost 6% for Ethereum. So pretty good stuff there in that sense. Now, furthermore, as far as like some specifics here are concerned, we're back up over 30 on the RSI. So that break above 30 yesterday was a very positive sign. That helped us kind of confirm that perhaps a long position would be viable. Now, we look at the MACD as well. We also have a convergence that occurred yesterday too, kind of giving us that indication that, once again, long position might be appropriate, especially considering the state of the way things are right now with Bitcoin being so low. Bitcoin kind of hovering around that 20 to 21,000 mark is allowing Ethereum to kind of take off in its sense. And what I mean by that is if we take a look at Bitcoin, it's the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, we can see that it broke above this descending trend line that we had here recently, and it's a nice clean break above. Not saying you want to just take entry right now when it's overextended, but the likelihood of it continuing higher from here is greater. Okay, again, that is very helpful to see this in combination with Bitcoin going sideways. It's allowing Bitcoin dominance to effectively, well, let's actually take a look at it. I haven't seen it yet today. Yeah, Bitcoin dominance coming down, and in turn, we got a green market for pretty much all the altcoins. Okay, so that's a very good sign there. I like when Bitcoin dominance goes down, and we have the actual altcoins going up as a result of that. Because recently we saw Bitcoin dominance come down and altcoins going down too. It was a little concerning because a lot of money was coming away from the market. Now you can see that there's slightly less fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the market, and that's causing this reaction here to allow for the altcoins to start to flourish. I wouldn't say we're in the clear by any stretch, but on the same accord, Bitcoin does look like it wants to try to go higher versus continuing any lower at this point. 20,000 is proven to be a very strong support level. And same thing could be said here, roughly, right at about 1,050, 1050, 1090, right in that range. That's essentially a bottom for Ethereum for the moment. And it's very synonymous in that sense with Bitcoin having hit its lowest point this year. Okay, so again, that's kind of where we're at there in that sense. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the other standard stuff here on the 4 hour, kind of see where we're at. It does look like it's been on the overextended side, so we're coming up to a 9+1. Could imply that we might see a reversal soon. And when I say reversal, I don't mean like the price is going to just drop, but it could effectively establish a higher low and kind of work its way down before it comes up again. There's a lot of different potential scenarios, okay? But generally speaking, at this point, we came down to a 9 and we're back up to a 9. Okay, so the next step is to either consolidate or to retrace. Those are one of two things. If it continues much higher, then the likelihood of the price action coming down is pretty low. Okay, so that's generally what we're looking at there. So in that sense, let's go ahead and take a quick look and call it a day here. It's going to be a very short video. We're going to take a quick look at the cloud and see we're well above the cloud. So ultimately, Ethereum's looking pretty darn good here at this point, and I think we should be in good shape to see this continue to progress higher with its Bitcoin pairing looking so nice. So in that sense, all in all, I would say that Ethereum is definitely a green light, so to speak, but take caution. We're right at the overextended point. So with 24 hours consolidation, we should be in good shape. So again, that's kind of where we're at there, and I hope that you had learned something here today, of course. I know it's quicker than usual, but really not much else to really note except for the fact that it's doing well and it's pairing nicely. Hope you have a great rest of your day. We'll look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.